I have to say one of my favorite flowers in the garden has to be delphinium. There's just something about the color blue in a garden that just makes the space feel tranquil. Now this flower, which is a delphinium, I wouldn't call exactly blue, although if you look closely in the flowerets, you can see on the petals there's definitely some sky blue coloring there. The overall effect in the garden is that it comes across as a sort of a bluish lavender. Lavender is one of the colors, as well as white and a really deep purple, which is marvelous. There are many things to love about delphiniums. They can be tall and statuesque in the garden. In fact, they bloom at a time when a lot of really early spring annuals are flowering, so it's a great combination in the garden. Over the years, in trying lots of different kinds of delphiniums, I've discovered that the Guardian series is the best one for my warm climate. They really continue flowering even though the temperatures are rising. Now, one of the things to keep in mind with delphiniums is that they're really heavy feeders. To produce this much flower power, you got to have a lot of energy. So be prepared to fertilize them heavily. And also, once they finish blooming, you can see they'll set seed pods here. And to keep them flowering, you'll want to cut this off just about like that. See, what you don't want is a lot of that energy going into the production of seed. What I want are more of these gorgeous blooms. From the Garden Home, I'm Alan Smith.